Many English learners around the world understand English very well. They can watch videos, listen to podcasts, and understand movies. They know grammar rules and many English words. But when it is time to speak, their mind becomes slow. They start thinking in their native language first. Then they translate into English. This makes speaking English slow, stressful, and uncomfortable. If this sounds like you, don't worry. You are not bad at English. You are just using your brain in the wrong way. Thinking in English is a skill. And like any skill, you can train it with the right exercises. In this video, you will learn 5 simple brain exercises to help you think in English faster and speak English more easily. These exercises are easy. You can do them every day. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a partner. You only need a few minutes a day and the right method. If you practice these exercises daily, your brain will start to change. You will stop translating in your head. You will start speaking English naturally and faster. The first brain exercise is called simple naming. This exercise is very powerful for beginners and A2 learners. Look around you right now. Name everything you see in English. You can say the words in your mind or out loud. For example, you can say chair, table, phone, window, door, light, bag, shoes, wall. Do not translate these words into your native language. Only say them in English. This helps your brain connect real objects directly with English words. When you do this, your brain starts to think in English without translation. You can do this exercise anywhere. At home, in your room, in the kitchen, or outside. When you walk, name things you see. For example, car, tree, shop, road, man, woman, child. This is a very easy exercise, but it is very powerful. Do this for 5 minutes every day. The second brain exercise is daily self-talk. This means talking to yourself in English. Many people think talking to yourself is strange, but it is actually a very strong learning method. When you wake up in the morning, start speaking English in your mind or quietly. You can say simple sentences like, I am waking up. I am tired. I will brush my teeth. I will eat breakfast. I will go to work. I will study English today. When you are doing your daily activities, talk about what you are doing in English. For example, I am cooking food. I am cutting vegetables. I am drinking water. I am watching a video. This helps your brain create English sentences naturally. You are not translating. You are thinking directly in English. At first, your sentences may be very simple. That is okay. Simple English is better than no English. The more you do this, the faster your brain will create English sentences. The third brain exercise is picture thinking. This exercise helps you stop thinking in your native language. When you hear or say an English word, try to see a picture in your mind. For example, when you think about the word apple, don't think about the word in your native language. Think about the picture of an apple. When you think about the word run, imagine a person running. When you think about the word happy, imagine a smiling face. This trains your brain to connect English words with images and meanings, not with translation. This is how children learn languages. Children don't translate. They connect words with pictures and feelings. You can train your brain to learn like a child again. This will help you think in English faster. The fourth brain exercise is sentence building in your head. This means you practice making short English sentences in your mind again and again. Start with very simple sentences. For example, I like tea. I like coffee. I like music. I like English. Then change the sentence. For example, I like tea. I like cold tea. I like hot tea. I like sweet tea. You are using the same sentence pattern again and again. This trains your brain to build sentences fast. You are not thinking about grammar rules. You are using simple patterns. This is how fluency grows. Fluency comes from repetition, not from memorizing rules. You can do this exercise when you are walking, sitting, or waiting. Just build simple sentences in your mind. This will make your speaking faster and smoother. The fifth brain exercise is shadow speaking. This means you listen to English and speak with the speaker at the same time. Choose a simple English video or audio. The speaker should speak slowly and clearly. Play the video and try to repeat what the speaker says at the same time. Don't stop the video. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try to follow the sound and rhythm. This exercise trains your brain to think and speak in English quickly. It also improves your pronunciation and listening skills. At first, this exercise may feel difficult. You may not understand everything. That is okay. Your goal is not perfect understanding. Your goal is to train your brain to speak without thinking too much. Do this for 5 minutes every day. Over time, your brain will become faster. Now, you may be thinking, how long does it take to start thinking in English? The answer is simple. It depends on your practice. If you practice these 5 exercises every day for 10 minutes, you will start to feel a change in a few weeks. Your brain will start creating English words faster. You will feel less stress when you speak. You will stop translating so much. If you practice for 30 days, your speaking speed and confidence will improve a lot. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect. Fluency is about speaking without fear and without long pauses. Many learners make the mistake of waiting until they feel ready to speak. But you will never feel ready if you don't practice speaking. Speaking is a skill. You learn speaking by speaking. These brain exercises help you practice speaking inside your mind first. This is very powerful because you can practice anytime and anywhere. You don't need a partner. You don't need to be in a classroom. You only need your brain and a few minutes of time. You may also feel shy or afraid to make mistakes. This is normal. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are good. They show you are trying. The more mistakes you make, the faster you learn. When you practice thinking in English, you will make many small mistakes in your mind. This is safe practice. No one will hear you. This helps you become more confident when you speak with real people. If you want faster results, combine these exercises with simple daily listening. Listen to short English videos or audios every day. Choose content that is easy to understand. Don't choose very difficult English. Your brain needs clear and simple input. When you listen to simple English, your brain learns how English sentences are made. Then, when you practice the brain exercises, your brain will use these patterns naturally. Another important tip is to be patient with yourself. Your brain needs time to change. You learn to think in your native language for many years. You cannot change this habit in one day. But with daily practice, your brain will slowly start to think in English. Every small practice is a step forward. Even 1 minute of practice is better than nothing. Let's review the 5 brain exercises again. The first exercise is simple naming. Name objects around you in English. The second exercise is daily self-talk. Talk about your daily actions in English. The third exercise is picture thinking. Think in pictures, not translations. The fourth exercise is sentence building in your head. Use simple sentence patterns again and again. The fifth exercise is shadow speaking. Speak with English audio at the same time. If you practice these 5 exercises every day, your brain will start to think in English faster. Now, here is a small challenge for you. For the next 7 days, choose at least 2 of these exercises and practice them every day. It can be for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. After 7 days, notice how you feel when you try to speak English. You will feel more relaxed. You will feel faster. You will feel more confident. This is how real progress starts. Small daily actions create big changes. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. This channel helps you train your brain to speak English naturally and confidently. In the next video, you will learn a daily speaking routine that takes only 10 minutes but can change your English forever. Keep practicing. Keep going. Your English is improving every day.